Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Anker Series 5. This is a 533 power bank, power cord 30 watts, and it supports fast charging. Let's just unbox it. I've already removed the plastic bag, and that's all you get. So you get the nice carrying bag, which I think it's a bit too big and it's general. This is gonna just bounce around in there. But the device itself, I think it's amazing. So you get the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is decent size. You get some information about it and some security guidance, which we're gonna look in just a second. But let's have a look at how beautiful is this power bank. So it has a shiny kind of reflective top. The display is in this area, and then the Anker logo. You have the power button in there. USB-C, USB-C, fast charging USB-A. And when you press this button and hold, you can see the display is starting, and then it shows you how much battery is remaining. When you charge it, it will show you how the percentage again. And when you're fast charging, I think it should show something. It will show also the remaining hours and minutes. So let's just quickly use something to charge it. Something to charge. I have to say I've tried to charge a laptop with it, and it doesn't work because probably it's 30 watts the maximum output. So if I charge my headphones, see it's charging, and it nicely shows you how many hours are remaining: 12 hours and 18 minutes. So that's really nice to see. Now let's just have a quick look through the indications in here. So because I've seen something in here, there's three modes. So there's recharging, trickle charging mode, which I'm trying to figure out what it is. It looks like it would be for the devices that they don't need that much charge. Remaining battery in percentage and remaining batteries in hours. And as you can see in there, there's like a lightning on the top. So now it's probably in the trickle charging mode because that's the one that's not using much energy. Let me see where I've seen that. Yeah, it says in here, charge your earbuds or other low power device in trickle charging mode. And to enter that mode, press the button twice to activate trickle charging mode. So when it's on, you press twice, and then you see it has a little dot in there. So now that's in the trickle charging mode. Yeah, they do actually show in here as well. So that's how it's advisable to charge these devices. Okay, and now what I want to see is if I use a Samsung phone, which should allow you to use fast charging. Let's just see what it shows. Actually, I don't even need to do that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect this. Yep, because we don't want to use that kind of charging mode. So I'm gonna double press on that, and that little dot disappeared. And I'm gonna plug it in into this phone, and you can see it's charging. but it's not using fast charging for some reason. Let me just quickly figure it out. Okay guys, so I've realized that that lightning is only when this battery is charging from the outlet. And when you're charging your phone, it will show in here. I don't know if you can see, it will say, it was saying fast charging earlier, but this is an older phone, so you might have some problems with the port. Yeah, very interesting. It was saying earlier fast charging. Don't know what's happening. Yeah, as you can see, it's now showing fast charging, but even though I'm in that trickle mode. Yeah, it's fast charging anyway. You can see there it says fast charging. It does disappear after, but yeah, there you have it, guys. This is the review of the Anker 533, and you see now obviously it's not charging, and it says it's going to last me for 79 hours. Obviously that's based on what device are you charging and how much power is dragging out of this battery. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. This is the review of the Series 5 Anker power bank. It comes with a pretty long cable and the carrying case, which even though it's twice the size of it, is still something that they give you for free. Bear in mind that with these power banks you have to be careful because, as it does say in here, one thing you have to be aware that you every like 3 months you kind of make sure it's discharged and charged if you don't use it. Look, it says if this product is not used for an extended period, you should charge and discharge it once every 3 months. And don't leave it discharged. It says be aware that the discharged battery may cause fire or smoke, so don't leave it discharged. Thank you for watching, guys.